Welcome back. Today we are going to be diving into the contact section of the Workflow Secret dashboards. So if you're ready, go ahead and pull up those dashboards and let's dive in together. The Agent Goals Dashboard is optimally designed to help you as an agent set goals for your own personal metrics of success and easily see how you are progressing towards those goals with every action you make. Within this dashboard, you're able to notice that we have a metric for total calls, total notes, and total visits, along with the list of all of the different contacts that have fallen under that category for any given moment and when they were last contacted so that you can better understand how those efforts are helping you reach your personal goals. At the very top right-hand side, you'll also notice a drop-down date menu so that you can select the date range that you need to refer to best see how your efforts are stacking over time to help push that needle forward towards success. We hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. If you have any questions at all, feel free and reach out. help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to help get you squared away. But we will see you very shortly.